Hey guys, we received this Benicci Moscow Mule copper mugs for test and try. It's a set of 400% handcrafted. So it's a good, safe and pure solid copper mugs. As you can see it here, comes in a really nice gift box. The 16 ounce set. So as you can see, so there's a four mugs and one of this cocktail copper and jigger. So let me just take out from this packing. They are the hammered finish, as you can see on the top here, and there is a welded handle and the smooth one. There is no lining on the top, so this is good for drinking anything. And you can see the handle as well. So there is a really nice thing, and this is a bonus jigger. So this is a copper jigger that you can see. So it's pure copper from inside outside and there's a nice size as well. So let me just open up all this box and see. So basically there are four copper mugs, four copper straws, one copper jigger, and a straw cleaning brush. So these are the copper straws, really nice crafted, both side, inside, outside, both copper, and then it have this brush as well to clean up the straws. So this is a complete set for everything. So there are four straws. So as you can show, like there's no carving or any writing, so that's good on the bottom or anywhere in the cup. And then there is no scratches or things for the copper because of the smooth surface, and then it's easy to clean as well. So you can see all the hammered finish, no lining tops, welded handle for the strong grip, and easy to clean and use. So it also looks good in your hand, very easily to handle and use it. So basically a very nice set with the straws and everything.